Hola, nerdatos. Trampas peligro aquí. Hello, nerds. Tramp is danger here. I got something today. I don't know if you guys have any guess of what this is. It's an Easttop. So you know it's a harmonica. Just opening it up here, checking it out. Boom, comes with that's a nice little ShamWow going on here. Oh, look at this beautiful, beautiful thing. Look at that, it's super shiny. It's an Easttop Lightning. Oh man, it's teal. And I don't know if you see that on the end, but that's a low F. Check that out. Diatonic Easttop. This is probably about the best looking Easttop I've ever seen. Wow, that sounds amazing, doesn't it? Now, so just so everybody's knowing the game, this is a regular F. This is the low F. It seems like I could bend every note all the way up. For those of you that don't know, you could bend on a regular harmonica. You could always bend the first 5 notes, the holes, and then the 6th one doesn't bend, and you really can't really bend. You gotta like do this weird thing. But that's Easttop harmonica, shiny. God dang, low F. That's gonna be fun to play. I'll let you know about that later.